Hello, everyone. Hope all is well. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving with your loved ones, as I know this holiday season will be looking different for so many of us. As I think about all the people feeling lonely during these times, my heart truly aches for them. I know many are with broken hearts today, but as we wait on God's direction for us, I just want to be grateful for today, for the seasons that are coming, where we can celebrate big and be together again. Alright, so I know you guys are wondering why did I start off on this side. I know I hardly ever start cleaning on this side, but since Adriana was still eating, I didn't want to rush her off the table, so therefore that's why I started here. But thankfully I did, because I actually needed the space on my counter. So I'm gonna be cleaning my top stove as well as inside as my oven, because it did get dirty, of course. Lots of cooking in there. And also, I don't know about you guys, but I had so much Thanksgiving food left over, so I'm going to be placing our leftover food in the oven, because that is what we're going to be eating tomorrow for sure. And I know, I don't know, but to me leftovers is always the best. So again, I can't wait for that. So as you guys can see, my table has gotten a lot smaller. This is a bar table that I've already had, but I got rid of my other table just before the space reason. We were just always bumping into it, because my kitchen actually has no dining area. This is just our dining area here. And so yeah, that's why I got rid of my other table. Yes, I know. I am the last person to purchase this mop. This mop was such a hype when it first came out. I was wanting to always get one, but I really didn't need it at the time, because I had purchased my flat mop, which I still love, because it is, it's easy to use, and I use it for my walls as well. This one, I know for a fact I can't use it on my wall. But so far, so good. I'm loving it. Well, not loving it. I really like it. I like how it has like and easy to use around the edges and the corners of the wall, the tables. It's also easy to assemble and easy to carry as well. Thought it was going to be heavy, but it's not. I also like that I do not have to use my hands to squeeze out the mop head. I can just place it into the circulation thingy and use my foot to strain the water out. And so yeah, so far I'm really liking it. I will give you a further update on how I actually like it, and maybe I'll still continue to use it. But so yeah, that's what I'm just gonna do here, is use my new mop. Actually, this is my second time using it, and so yeah. Alright, so these bar stools were originally for my bar table, the one next to on the other side of the wall. I was gonna throw these out because they were a little bit wobbly or shaky, and I didn't want to throw them out, so I just thought I can use them as plant stands, which has came out, in my opinion, beautifully for this wall. I just want to put a whole bunch of plants on this wall in the kitchen. But so yeah, so this is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys super soon in another video. Bye.